Samsung is getting ready for one of its most ambitious smartphone launches, and it's not just another Galaxy Z Fold. This time, the company is working on something completely new, the Galaxy TriFold. As the name suggests, this phone will fold into 3 parts, which means it can turn into something that feels much closer to a full-sized tablet than an ordinary smartphone. For many years, Samsung has shown off tri-folding phone ideas at tech events, but now, for the first time, we're actually seeing signs that a real product is on the way. Leaked animations online show how the TriFold might work, and if these leaks are accurate, this could easily be Samsung's most futuristic device yet. So, what sets the Galaxy TriFold apart? Unlike the Z Fold series, which only bends at one hinge, the TriFold has 2 folding points. This design makes it look like it has 3 separate screens. When it's completely opened up, it transforms into a large display rumored to measure about 10 inches. That's basically the size of a small tablet, making it perfect for watching videos, gaming, or even doing work. One of the most interesting features is how apps behave on this device. Let's say you're using an app on the outer screen and then unfold the TriFold to open it fully. The app won't restart or close. Instead, it will keep running smoothly on the larger screen, so you don't lose your place or waste time reopening things. It feels seamless and natural. Multitasking will also get a huge boost on the TriFold. You'll be able to open several apps at once, place them side by side, and adjust their sizes however you want. Samsung already does multitasking well on the Z Fold series, but the TriFold's bigger display takes it to another level, making it easier to work, study, or even just scroll social media while streaming a video. Leaked clips also show Galaxy AI in action on the TriFold. For example, when you activate Galaxy AI inside the Samsung Internet browser, the AI tool takes up nearly half of the display. On a regular phone, that would feel cramped, but on the TriFold's larger screen, the browser still feels comfortable. You can even keep Galaxy AI floating in a small window while continuing to browse without interruptions. Another smart feature comes into play during calls. If you're talking on the phone while the TriFold is unfolded, the call app shows up as a small floating window. This means you can still check emails, browse online, or use other apps while staying on the call. It's designed to make multitasking effortless. Samsung has also included a feature that mirrors the outer screen onto the larger inner display. Fans of the Z Fold series will already be familiar with this trick. And when you hold the TriFold in portrait mode, it looks more like one of Samsung's Galaxy tablets than a foldable phone, which might make it appealing to people who want a single device that can do it all. Of course, Samsung isn't ignoring the cameras. Rumors suggest the TriFold will have a powerful telephoto camera with up to 100x zoom, powered by AI. Interestingly, the Z Fold 7 doesn't offer this level of zoom, even though it has a similar lens. If Samsung delivers on this, the TriFold could become a serious photography tool, not just a flashy FOLDABLE. The X support is also expected. This feature lets Samsung phones connect to a monitor and work like a desktop computer. With the TriFold's bigger screen, using DeX could feel even more natural, almost like working on a small laptop. It's another way Samsung wants this device to replace both your phone and your tablet. Another cool detail is how you can use the main cameras for selfies. Since the device folds inward, you can position it in a way that allows the high-quality rear cameras to double as front-facing ones. This would mean much better selfies and clearer video calls. Now, all of these innovations come at a cost. The Galaxy TriFold is rumored to be priced around $3,000. That's nearly double the cost of most flagship phones, and much higher than even the Z Fold 7. But Samsung isn't marketing this as just another phone. With its giant screen, multitasking abilities, AI features, and powerful cameras, the TriFold is being positioned as a device that can replace both your smartphone and your tablet in one. Foldable phones already changed the industry when Samsung launched the first Galaxy Fold back in 2019. Now, the TriFold could be the next big step forward. Sure, the price is high, but for people who love cutting-edge technology and want the most futuristic phone available, it might be worth it. In the end, the Galaxy TriFold isn't about small updates or minor design changes. It's about rethinking what a smartphone can be. Not everyone will buy it, but it gives us a glimpse of where mobile technology might be heading. The real question is, would you spend $3,000 on this device, or stick with the Fold 7 or a regular flagship phone? One thing is clear: Samsung is once again proving it wants to lead the way in smartphone innovation.